Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today we are going to make a DIY rocket. To make that we need a sellotape, scissor, pencil, straw, scale and a white paper. I have taken out this paper from my book, so you can also use that. So let's get started. Now first we will cut a circle by using this sellotape and a pencil. I will put a mark like this and then I will cut it by using a scissor like this. So my circle is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make a square out of this paper. So let's cut the extra part. Fold it into like this and cut this extra part by the help of scissors. Now your square is ready. Okay. So the last step is you have to make two right angles with the help of a scissor and pencil. So I'm making one right angle over here. And second. Now let's cut this also. What you have to do is you have to use a pencil, roll this paper, make sure that it should be very tight. Okay, so you can move my pencil out. Now what we have to do is take this circle and make one slit till the center and another just like a pie. You have to take out and then join both of these ends together in this way. Make sure that the tip should be pointed like this. Now take sellotape and fix it. Cone at one of the tops. And then stick it like this. With the help of sellotape. Again I am going to take one and stick it half like this. And then I will stick it here. Same way I will be doing for the next wing. I'll cut the extra part and I'll stick it here. Now let's quickly understand the science behind this activity. So when we blow the air inside the straw, the air which is inside the straw has no way to come out, and because of which a lot of pressure is increased within the straw. Now the air which is inside finds its way to come out, and because of that it also triggers or it also launches my rocket. So in this way it works.